Hi, welcome to my 1941 Ford truck, custom build on a 98 Chevy 6.5 turbo diesel ambulance, 66, and the dual wheels at the rear are only 6 foot wide. That's water cooled with a shower. Wash your wife or wash your dog. I'll let you listen to the engine. Interior, brand new, I Dave the trim. All full cowhide at the top. Absolutely stunning. It's got twin boxes. I believe they were brothers. Electric windows. All heated. That does your wipers. There we go. Power steering. Automatic. Fits like a glove. Had the single cab, a 4-foot extension made to have the kids in the back. An absolute tosser did that for me in Trafford. Anyway, I won't talk about him. I then gave it an engineer in Cheshire called Matthew, who works at Turbo Tax, and he's done quite a lot of the work, rectified a few bits and bobs. I've used an old Chevrolet bed. There's the original reg. I've used a 98 Chevy ambulance 6.5 turbo diesel, ex-military, low mileage. It was in mint condition. I paid £6,000 just for that ambulance truck. And I built this 1941 historical truck that was in World War II and made it into a bit of fun. Moonshine truck, barbecue. The Jack Daniels table goes in there. Got all the patina, lacquered it 3 times. Electric windows. An absolute fortune in it. All the disc brakes and ABS and everything works. Heating, wipers, lights. Had a professional guy called Bob Electrics. Everybody knows him around here. He got all the wiring diagrams from the GM dealership in Bredbury. Just US Parts, Neil. So it's all been done professionally. Looking for a swap. Anything American. Old, new, whatever. This is the original chassis number. There's a massive historical value. I don't know if you can read that. It says all wheel drive. At the top it says Ford V8. My friend Edgar from Nick Webster's, one of the best mechanics in the world. He's done all the modifications, put a few tricks on it. You're very welcome to talk to him about anything. Or you're very welcome to talk to Bob, the electrician, who's done all the wiring. But no corners has been cut. All through lockdown, me and Edgar and Bob and Matt, we all worked so hard to get this end result. And it is magnificent. And like I said, I would consider a swap.